This process begins with an employee entering the information of the supplier, the company, and the deal, as well as the products and amounts that they're requesting. As we can see here, they also fill out the supplier agreement information and download the document. At the end, they'll review and confirm that this agreement is correct. At submission, the supplier will receive an email asking them to review. The supplier will then add, review, and edit any contact or shipping information that may be changed or incorrect. Next, they will review the requested items and reject any items that they cannot fulfill. The supplier will then add any specifics needed for each item, including additional information or any files. Next, they will review the document and then submit the form, accepting the use of an electronic record signature by checking the box.
Once the form is submitted, the document can be reviewed and signed by the company. They'll check the box to agree to the terms. Then copies will be sent to both parties to be saved.